On behalf of the Social Help YouTube channel, this video for awareness about the cyber crime. The cybercrime is punishable offense under the Information Technology Act 2000 and amendment thereafter. Chapter 11, Section 65 to 78 of the Information Technology Act 2000 dealt with penal provision. What is cybercrime? What are different types of cybercrimes? How to protect yourself against cybercrime? Kindly press the red button and subscribe this channel for social awareness information. What is cybercrime? Cybercrime is criminal activity that either targets or uses a computer network, or a network device. Most, but not all, cybercrime is committed by cyber criminals or hackers who want to make money. Cyber criminal is carried out by individuals or organizations. Some cyber criminals are organized, use advanced techniques, and are highly technical skilled. Others are novice hackers. Really, cybercrime aims to damage computer for reasons other than profit. They could be political or personal. Types of cybercrime. The different types of cybercrime. 1. Email and internet fraud. 2. Identity fraud, where personal information is stolen and used. 3. Theft of financial or card payment data. 4. Theft and sale of corporate data. 5. Cyber extortion, demanding money to prevent a threatened attack. 6. Ransom act, a type of extortion. 7. Cryptojacking, where hackers mine cryptocurrency using resources they do not own. 8. Cyber espionage, where hackers access government or company data. How to protect yourself against cyber crime. So, now you understand the threat cyber crime represents. What are the best way to protect your computer and your personal data? Here are our top tips. 1. Keep software and operating system updated. 2. Keeping your software and operating system up to date ensures that you benefit from the latest security patches to protect your computer. 3. Use antivirus software and keep it updated. 4. Using antivirus or a comprehensive internet security solution. 5. Antivirus software allows you to scan, detect, and remove threats before they become a problem. Having this protection in place helps to protect your computer and your data from cybercrime, giving you peace of mind. 6. If you use antivirus software, make sure keep it updated and to get the best level of protection. 7. Use strong passwords. 8. Be sure to use strong passwords that people will not guess and do not record them anywhere. Or use a reputable password manager to generate strong passwords randomly to make this easier. 9. Never open attachment in spammy email. 10. A classical way that computers get infected by malware, attacks, and other forms of cybercrime is via email attachments in spammy email. Never open an attachment from a sender you do not know. 11. Do not click on links in spammy email or untrusted website. Another way people become victims of cybercrime is by clicking on links in spammy email or other messages or unfamiliar websites. Avoid doing this. Stay safe online. 12. Do not give out personal information unless secured. 13. Never give up personal data over the phone or via email unless you are completely sure the line or email is secured. Make certain that you are speaking to the person you think you are. 14. Contact companies directly about suspicious requests. If you get asked for data from a company who have called it, you hang up. Call them back using the number on their official website to ensure you are speaking to them and not a cyber criminal. Ideally, use a different phone because cyber criminals can hold the line open. When you think you have redialed, they can pretend to be from the bank or other organization that you think you are speaking to. 15. Be mindful of which website URLs you visit. Keep an eye on the URLs you are clicking on. Do you look legitimate? Do they look legitimate? Avoid click on links with unfamiliar or spammy looking URLs. 16. If your internet secured product including functionality, if your internet secured product includes functionality to secure online transactions, ensure it is enabled before carrying out financial transactions online. 17. Keep an eye on your bank statements. Our tips should help you avoid falling foul of cybercrime. However, if all else fails, stopping that you have become a victim of cybercrime, quickly take step which is important. Kindly go to national portal and lodge complaint immediately. Keep an eye on your bank statements and carry any unfamiliar transactions with the bank. The bank can investigate whether they are fraudulent. This video conclude here. Thank you for your watch.